Okay, so I just spent 72 hours straight testing Notion AI, and I'm literally shook. Like, no cap, this thing just wrote a 2,000-word business plan in 3 minutes that would have taken me 6 hours. But here's the tea. After testing every single feature, I found some stuff that's actually insane and some that's low-key trash. And nobody's talking about the hidden features that literally changed how I work. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe. We post every week. Look, everyone's doing Notion AI reviews, but they're all surface level. I'm about to give you the honest truth after using this for real projects. First off, Notion AI isn't just another AI writing tool. It's built right into your workspace where you actually get stuff done. That hits different than switching between ChatGPT and your notes constantly. The AI lives in your pages, databases, everything. You just type /AI and boom, it's there. So I tested this against ChatGPT 4 and Claude for 3 specific tasks. And the results? Actually wild. Test 1. I asked each AI to create a content calendar for a fitness brand. ChatGPT gave me generic ideas. Claude was better, but still basic. Notion AI? It literally created a full database with categories, posting schedules, and connected everything to my existing workspace. Test 2. Blog post writing. I timed each one writing a 1,500-word article about productivity. ChatGPT, 4 minutes, but needed heavy editing. Claude, 3 minutes, better quality. Notion AI, 5 minutes, but it formatted everything perfectly in my actual blog template. But wait, the best part is coming up. Here's what nobody talks about in their Notion AI review videos. The AI remembers your workspace context. Like, actually remembers. I have a project database with client info, deadlines, all that stuff. When I ask Notion AI to write a project update, it pulls from that data automatically. I don't have to explain context every single time. That's actually insane for productivity. Another secret feature, it can analyze your existing content and match your writing style. I fed it 3 of my old blog posts, and now it writes in my voice. Kinda creepy, but super useful. If this is helpful so far, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Okay, real talk time. After 30 days of daily use, here's what actually slaps and what doesn't. What's fire? The database AI features are next level. I can ask it to summarize my entire client database or find patterns in my habit tracker. Takes seconds. The writing quality is honestly better than I expected. Not just for basic stuff, I used it for technical documentation and it nailed it. And the fact that everything stays in Notion means no more copy-pasting between apps. But here's what's low-key annoying. The AI can be slow sometimes, especially during peak hours. We're talking like 30-second delays. Also, it's an add-on cost. $8 per month per user on top of your Notion subscription. For teams, that adds up quick. And honestly, for pure AI chat, ChatGPT is still better. Notion AI shines when you need it integrated with your actual work. Let me give you actual numbers from my testing. Before Notion AI, my weekly content planning took me 2 hours. Now, 25 minutes. Client report writing went from 45 minutes average to 12 minutes. That's not even exaggerating. My productivity dashboard that I manually updated, now it's automated with AI summaries. Saves me probably 3 hours per week. That's 5+ hours back in my week. At my hourly rate, this thing pays for itself in 2 days. Here is what nobody talks about. The most game-changing feature isn't the writing, it's the data analysis. I connected my habit tracker, project database, and goals list. Now I can ask questions like, what habits correlate with my most productive days, and get actual insights from my own data? Or which types of projects take me longest to complete, and it analyzes everything instantly. That's not just AI writing, that's like having a personal data scientist. If you're going to try this, here are the pro tips that took me weeks to figure out. First, set up your databases properly before adding AI. The better your data structure, the smarter the AI responses. Second, use the continue writing feature instead of generating from scratch. Way better results. Third, create templates with AI prompts built in. Then you just fill in variables and boom, consistent output every time. So is Notion AI worth it in 2025? If you're already using Notion heavily, absolutely. The integration is too good to pass up. If you're new to Notion, maybe start with the free version first. Learn the platform, then add AI later. For the price, you're getting writing help, data analysis, and workflow automation all in one. That's actually a steal compared to buying separate tools. All right, I want to know, what's the biggest time waster in your current workflow? Drop a comment and tell me what takes up most of your day. I read every single one. If this Notion AI review helped you decide, smash that subscribe button. Next week, I'm testing the new Claude integration features that just dropped, and trust me, you don't want to miss that. Catch you in the next one.